At Oculus, we make customer care and support a top priority because we understand the critical importance of continuous device operation. Your call to Oculus will be answered by a friendly professional who is ready to assist you. Our service team can assist with Oculus device troubleshooting, software updates, service, networking, EMR integrations, and other service-related needs. Our clinical applications team can help with implementing your Oculus device in your practice, including training for capturing the best patient scans, interpreting patient data, leveraging the software capabilities, and discerning the clinical application of reports. Our customer care team can share information about product availability, connect you with your regional sales consultant, and support you with other administrative needs. For all your questions about Oculus devices, our network of customer care and support teams are here to help. With service centers located in Washington and Florida, Oculus provides reliable, fast, and customer-friendly service from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Oculus combines the finest German engineering with exceptional customer support. With our products, such as the Penacam, Keratograph 5M, and EasyField C, we have established a gold standard in ophthalmic diagnostic devices. Our customers and their satisfaction are our responsibility. Connect with us to discover how we can serve you in preserving vision and helping patients.